The story we are going to tell today is The Cicada and the Fox. A long time ago, one hot summer afternoon, a cicada perched on a tall tree and chanted merrily. The cicada's song was like heavenly music and spread throughout the forest. However, this beautiful song also attracted a cunning fox, which intended to feed on the cicada. The fox sneaked under the tree and watched the cicadas carefully. It was attracted by the beautiful song of the cicada and also tempted by the delicious taste of the cicada. But catching the cicadas was not easy because the cicadas were perched high up in the tree, and the fox could not easily climb to that height. So the fox decided to adopt a clever ruse. He stood under the tree and began to praise the song of the cicada, saying that the cicada's voice was so beautiful, so wonderful and enchanting than any other sound in the forest. The fox also persuaded the cicada to come down, stating that he was a curious animal and wanted to know for himself what kind of creature could make such a beautiful sound. The cicada listened to the fox with pride indeed, for his song had always been very popular. He also knew that the fox had always been regarded as a clever and cunning creature, and it thrilled him that the fox appreciated his song so much. However, despite Cicada's delight, he did not forget the dangerous situation he was in. He realized that the fox might have the intention of eating him, and therefore, he had to be careful how he dealt with it. Cicada began to think about how to keep himself out of danger. Cicada skillfully pretended to agree to the fox's request. He stopped singing and then slowly picked some leaves from the tree and threw them down. Thinking that victory was close at hand, the fox excitedly leaped toward the place where the object had fallen. However, when the fox opened his mouth, ready to swallow it in one gulp, he was dismayed to find that all he had bitten into was a leaf. The fox felt so angry that it had actually fallen into the cicada's trap. Cicada looked down at the fox and scoffed, "Hey man, did you think I'd be so easily fooled? I've been wary of foxes ever since I saw a cicada's wings in a fox's dung."